Well, here's a commissioned knife box I just finished up. And then this box has 6 partitions in here, kind of like in the previous knife boxes I made, with a little slope here, so this way the top of the knives stick out a bit so you can easily take them out. And then there's a nice tight finish on it, or excuse me, a nice tight seal on it. So when you close it, there's a little bit of air pressure in there so the top doesn't just clank down. And with this box, someone was getting it for an anniversary present, so a little engraving on the bottom. But this is the final knife box. Now that I'm done with this, I can start getting back to finishing up some pipes. This one I'm probably going to finish up tonight, and then have a few more still in the kind of roughing in stage. But that is it, and thanks for watching.